We will do this in pre-recorded live stream, pre-recorded video. So it is a live stream, but it will be uploaded to YouTube if the YouTube account will be restored. So today, we are scheduled for the opening of bids for contract ID number 25PE0092, repair and maintenance of DPWH perimeter fence, DPWH Palawan First CEO, Rojas Palawan. So before we start, let us first have a short prayer.
Lord, as we begin today, we ask freshness of your Spirit, that out of confused issues may come simplicity of mind, that out of fear may come confidence, that out of hurry may come deliberation, that out of frustration may come guidance. Let us get to our work, not head first, but heart first. May we be able to disagree without being disagreeable, to differ without being difficult, to be honest without tension, and frank without offense. In an atmosphere of team spirit. Amen.
May we be grateful always as we learn new things throughout the day. Forgive us, Lord, our trespasses as we forgive to one another. We surrender ourselves unto you, Lord, and offer our activity for today, because apart from you, we can do nothing. All this we ask through your Son, Jesus. Amen.
So before we start, can we read the attendance by our proxy?
Good morning. For today attendance for the schedule of opening of bid for repair and maintenance of DPWH perimeter fence, DPWH Palawan First DPO Ross Palawan. There are back chairperson, Ade Acelo Paul and
Present.
our vice chairperson, Roy Lansalio. Members, Odora, Dick, present for members, Domingo P. Valentin Jr. and Ana Marie Douglas.
Present.
We have also the presence of our PWG headed by Engineer Mary Grace Rios. Members are Priscita Sibacosa, Alvino Katanay, Sita Kiron, Jose Palme, and Debbie Magarcos. For our secretariat, we have Nina Sel, Cascara, Rosalie Bungal, Cassandra Riz Cambal, Lydia Laba, Raul Laba, Dennis Karangan, and Binaranuria, and yours truly, Abang Secretariat and Maylin Sali.
Thank you, Maylene. Also, we acknowledge our contractor.
We also acknowledge the presence of representative from Bank Trading and Construction Supply, as well as the presence of representative from Maintain and Construction Supply. There's the presence of observer and from OVA.
So thank you, once again. So today we have the quorum of our attendance. So let us proceed. For contract ID number 25E0092, we have the repair maintenance of DPWH perimeter fence, DPWH Palawan First DO, Rojas Palawan, in the scope of work repair rehabilitation of DPWH perimeter fence, including 96 meters concrete line canal and solar power line with an ABC of 2,806,697.24 centavos with a contract duration of 90 calendar days. So, before we proceed to the opening of technical and financial documents or financial proposal, can we let us first read the eligibility processing. Kasi may processing dito eh. So, yung participating contractors.
Good morning to everyone. So here are the results of the eligibility from CWA. So the participating bidder is Rock Trading and Construction and Team Construction and Supply for legal aspects. Both contractors pass the screening. Technical and financial aspects, both contractors pass the screening. That's also.
So we have two participating bidders. We have Rock Trading in Construction and Maintain Construction and Supply. But before we start of this activity, we have encountered some documents or a document for the representative of the said contractors that has what do you call may konting problema dun sa document nila. And for the specific document is the SPA, the Special Power of Attorney. So can we read first the SPAs of the participating contractors? It was overlooked siguro nung pagbili ng video.
So the special power of attorney of Rock Trading. The owner, authorized Miss Gina Lynn Palermo, dated December 15, 2025. Yes, December 15, 2025. So the special power attorney of Miss Miss Helen Gabo po, authorizes by Maintain Construction and Supply, dated October 23, 2024.
So,
And yes, no signature of the Ma'am Helen Gabo po, no signature.
so may we call the representative of Maintain Construction? So, wala? Wala, wala. Oh. Wala eh. So, upon verification and evaluation of the documents of Maintain, Special Power of Attorney of Maintain Construction and Supply, it was found out that the date of the sworn to the attorney is
October 23, 2024.
October 23, 2024. So the document is expired, and also the findings was the document has no signature of the representative that was nominated by the contractor. So the document is incomplete or not valid. So maintain construction and supply is non-complying. For the grounds, SPA is not valid, invalid. So let us proceed to rock trading and construction. So the technical and financial proposal of rock trading, concept.
Kasi parang kita.
Ito ba yung document na sinabi mo? Wala, nawala.
Technical proposal contract trading for contract ID 25E0092.
Valid purchase registration certificate.
Certificate of registration of contract trading and construction. The document is present. You decide valid until May 30, 2026. With attached annex ADTI certificate expiration date February 21, 2028. Mayor's certificate expiration date December 31, 2025. Tax clearance expiration date March 3, 2026. PCAL license expiration date September 27, 2026.
Statement of the prospective bidder about its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started.
List of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started on block trading. The document is present. You decide.
Statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract, or SLCC.
SLCC of block trading, the document is present. You decide.
Original copy of bid security or notarized bid security declaration.
Bid security declaration of block trading, the document is present. You decide. And you decide.
Organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Organizational chart for the contract of block trading, the document is present. You decide.
List of contractors, key personnel.
List of contractors, key personnel of block trading, the document is present. You decide.
List of contractors, major equipment units.
List of contractors, major equipment units for trading, the document is present. You decide.
Original duly signed omnibus on statement.
Omnibus on statement of block trading, the document is present. You decide and duly notarized.
NFCC.
NFCC of block trading, the document is present. You decide.
Hindi siya corporation. Single provider.
Single provider.
So for rock trading and construction, since rock trading and construction Supply yan, construction lang. Construction only is and supply.
Construction lang po.
Construction and it's not a corporation, so hindi na kailangan yung beneficial ownership. So, technical proposal of rock trading and construction is complying and passed. So, let us proceed in the opening of the financial proposal of rock trading and construction.
Financial proposal of rock trading for contract identified TE0092.
Duly signed bid form.
Bid form of rock trading, the document is present. Duly signed.
Duly signed bid prices and the bid of quantities.
Bid prices, the bill of quantities of rock trading, the document is present. Duly signed.
Duly initial detailed estimates.
Initial detailed estimates of rock trading, the document is present. Duly signed.
Duly signed cash flow by quarter.
Cash flow by quarter of rock trading, the document is present. Duly signed.
Bid amount.
Bid amount of rock trading 2,779,830 pesos and 26 centavos to 779,830.26 with a discount of 30% from item 624 open close parenthesis 1 roadway lighting, which is equals to 278,126.10. Sa item 624, open close parenthesis 1. Discount on item, 30% discount on item. Dito yun sila sa item 621. Item 621 as the marine bid prices is 927,087 pesos sunod. 927,087.00.
Ano yung po iligas dito sa
30%.
I-discount from that.
Magkano po yung chip na yun?
927,087.00.
Hindi yan nila.
30% niya.
Ay, kailangan mag-discount ng update.
30%
May ilagay na ako dito 228,126.10.
Check lang kung kailan.
Check lang kung itong 278,126.10. Okay.
Ilan percent yun? Tingnan mo na yung yung item, discount item,
Yung amount ng item.
tingnan mo discount item. Lagyan mo ng isang column.
Item 624.
Lagyan ka ng isang row.
I discount,
Yan.
Item
Item,
604, open, close parenthesis 1.
624.
Open close parenthesis 1. Okay. Walang parenthesis yung 604.
Walang
Yung 1 na kami open parenthesis. 604 yan mo. Yes, that. The amount of 604 is
Hindi, lagyan mo din yung
okay. 927,087.00.
900,000?
927,087.00.
Lagyan mo lang ka. P. Lagyan mo lang ka.
30%.
Lagyan mo ng pesos dyan. Okay. Base fee. Base fee.
Ayan, 30% yan.
Ganyan. Base fee. So, multiply mo yan down ng 30%.
30%. That which is 278,126.1 CR.
Ano yung item 6 for?
I think
Street light.
street light.
Street light.
Alam niyo pa yung ulitin.
So, i-minus mo naman yung total paid amount.
Ay, pag-i-open niyo yung discounted amount.
So, yung just discount na
Parehas.
And
Kumakalay yung discount na.
Sabihin amount niya.
Hindi ko talaga yan. Kung may
Parang
kulang
yung
mo.
10% parang di...
At ako.
10% parang discounted.
9.9%.
10% ayun na.
Yan ang tawag pa yan.
Okay. Discounted amount is 2 million. Discounted bid amount is 2,501,704 pesos and 16 centavos.
That's all. Okay na. Tama ba, TWG? Is that correct? The discounted amount? So, for contract ID 25DD0092, we have two participating bidder. However, maintain construction and supply is declared not complying due to SPA, not signed SPA by the attorney in fact. And Rock Trading and Construction financial proposal with the discounted amount of 2,501,704 pesos and 16 centavos is the bid as read. Is the loan bid, is the only bid as read. So, Rock Trading and Construction is complying and passed. So I just want to clarify that maintain construction and supply has a special power of attorney. However, walang firma ng attorney in fact. Pero yung date, hindi naman talaga ito mag-expire. I just want to correct. Kanina yung sinabi ko na expire. Hindi ito mag-expire kasi special power of attorney. Pero, sinil siya noong October 23, 2024. So, matagal na. And then, yung nakalagay sa duties or the given authorization is that may the authorization of maintenance and construction supply to be my authorized representative to purchase bidding documents, to attend and participate in the bidding process, to process bidding where maintain construction and supply is engaged and involved in DPWH Palawan First District Engineering Office, Rojas, Palawan, to sign, execute, deliver, and process all papers or documents which may be necessary in connection with the above given authority. So, however, the special power of attorney is generic. So, parang wala namang specific project kung ano yung inauthorize sa kanya. Yung sabi lahat, authorized representative to purchase bidding documents, to attend and participate in the bidding process, to process billing. Pero walang nakalagay kung anong contract ID. Unlike nung kay rock trading, may nakalagay talaga kung ano yung project na ina-attest ng abogado. So, yung isa is si Helen Gabo Pro. Sino si Helen Gabo? Nandito. Gabo Pro. Who is the attorney in fact with barangay ID number 950S 2024 din. Yung barangay ID niya is walang firma. So yung special power of attorney niya is incomplete. However, ngayon lang, nag-submit ng panibagong SPA. Kaitin naman, kaya parehas lang din yung nakasulat, pero parang hindi masyadong mabasa yung ibang part. Pero parang parehas lang yung nakasulat. Nagkaiba lang dun sa pag witness ng abogado yung date. We have already to set by hand the 15th of December 2025. So ito mas recent to na ginawa niya. However, wala pa rin pirma nung representative ng contractor, nung principal. Ni Maricel Christine Escubin, may pirma siya. Si Helen po, wala na namang pirma. So, the bank decided talaga na the special power of attorney is invalid. So, is there any question sa contractors, sa bank, Secretariat ng PWG? So, sa live stream, this will be posted later because we had a technical problem in our YouTube channel. So, please bear with us. So, if there are no questions, may I just remind the participating leaders. Also, maintain construction is you have 3 days to avail for the motion for reconsideration. So, pwede kang mag-motion. So, eto, rock trading and construction, this is to remind that your bid will be evaluated and under post-qualification by the technical working group, and you will be notified whatever the result. And kung wala na may question ba tayo? Wala na. So if there is none, let's call this a day and adjournment of this activity. Thank you.